All right, in this video, I'm actually going to be showing you how to connect a wired mouse to a smart TV. For this video, actually using a Hisense Android smart TV. This is the wired mouse, okay, with the USB type A connector, as you can actually see that we actually use to connect. Check at the back of the smart TV and make sure you identify the USB ports, okay? So for example, right here, you can look at the back of this TV. We have numerous ports right here. HDMI, you can see. So here are the USB ports right here. Okay, these two. So get the USB type A connector. You see this then is connecting to the mouse. Okay, you see that? Yep. So this is the connector. Make sure you orient it very nicely so that it actually fits within the ports. Okay, so just like this. Yeah, see that? Inserted very well. So once it's connected, you can actually see that the mouse is lighting red, which confirms that it's actually inserted and powered. Okay, so when you go back to the screen and check, so here is the wired mouse. So you can actually see evidenced by the cursor right here. You see that? So you can actually basically use the mouse right there to select items on the screen and browse. Okay, so basically that's it. If you like such content, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and catch you in the next one.